Want to turn that Apple gift card into spendable cash using Cash App? Let's get started. First, gently scratch off the protective layer on the back of your Apple gift card to reveal the 16-digit code. Then, there's a catch. You can't directly deposit an Apple gift card into Cash App. Cash App doesn't accept Apple gift cards. But there is another way. You can sell your Apple gift card for cash. Head over to a reputable gift card exchange website like Raise.com or CardCash. These platforms allow you to sell your gift card for cash. Make sure to choose a well-known and trusted site to avoid scams. Enter the details of your Apple gift card, including the 16-digit code and the card's value. The website will then offer you a price for your card, usually a bit lower than the face value. If you're happy with the offer, accept it. You'll likely need to create an account on the platform. Most platforms will pay you out via PayPal. Once you receive the funds in your PayPal account, you can easily transfer them to your Cash App. In Cash App, tap the Banking tab, then select Add Cash. Choose the amount from your PayPal balance, and you're all set. Now you have successfully transferred your gift card money to your Cash App balance.